Slightly sweet, no heat, a marvellous mango chicken, an Aussie delight. Hi guys, how you all doing? Welcome to Backyard Chef, I'm Rick. Today we're going to make an Australian Indian restaurant curry. Now this is a personal recipe of an Australian chef mate of mine, Greg. Now Greg sent me his recipe. It's an absolute cracker and it's a privilege to make Greg's curry. So let's crack on and make this mango chicken. Let's do this. In a pan, got a chef's spoon of ghee, okay? But that's about 3 tablespoons. On with the flame. Little bit of heat going through the pan. Now this is a very quick curry to come together. And it is absolutely superb. Okay, in with some garlic and ginger. In. Mix. And then we've got some mixed powder. Get our mixed powder in there. Give it a little stir around. Now we're trying to bloom out the spices, don't forget guys. Okay, so bloom out your spices. Make sure your spices are cooked in there. And then we want to be going in with about half a chef's spoon of almond powder. And we want to be adding our sugar. Now let's give this a mix through. Start to cook it out a little bit. Now it is starting to catch the bottom of the pan a little bit there, look. So we have to be a little bit careful. And then in with our tomato puree. To get our tomato puree in there. Woo. Give it a little whisk round. That's bringing the stuff off the bottom, look. And that is a fantastic buttery tomatoey smell actually. That is really nice. Okay, so just cook out our spices out a little bit more in there. Just watch the bottom of the pan. We don't want to burn anything, but you know. So nice and steady guys, look. And then in with some base gravy. So get some base gravy in there. Give it a little whiz round. That's going to loosen everything up off the bottom of the pan. So just give that a little minute in there. You know, we just want to just give that a little minute in there guys. We want to actually put all that flavour back in there with our base gravy. Now this is a very mild curry. It's not a, as Greg says, it's not a madras, it's not a vindaloo. It's a very mild, sweet, fruity type curry. So in my view, you can say it's like a korma with mango in. It's amazing. Okay, so I'm going to add some more base gravy. Now, I like a gravy curry. Some people don't, I do. So get that in there, and then we just need to cook that down just a little bit. What I would do, Greg's recipe was cook this down, put the mango pulp in, cook the mango pulp, add the chicken. I'm going to do it slightly a little bit different. I'm going to add the chicken now. Okay, so I'm going to put the pre-cooked chicken in now. In fact, let's put all that in there. only one chicken breast that's been cut up into small chunks. So all I want to do is reheat that chicken through already, okay? So we get that in there, nice and steady. Just start to reheat that chicken back through. And then we're going to add this fantastic mango pulp. Now this is fresh mango pulp, guys. Okay, I've just made this. But you know, mango pulp out of a tin and get it in. Right, if you look now guys, it's starting to thicken up a little bit in the pan. This is the time we want to be going in with our mango pulp. So get our mango pulp in there. And give that a little bit of a stirring through. This smell, oh, you know, living in Thailand, mango and sticky rice is one of my favourite desserts. The mango in this chicken, in this curry coming out, is fantastic. The smell is amazing. That looks and smells absolutely incredible. You know guys, for a curry you don't always need that chili, coriander, all those bold flavours, you know. A nice decadent curry like this, every now and again, like every Friday night, is absolutely amazing. So that's it guys, that's cooked down. All we need to do now is add some cream. So we want about 100 mils of cream in there, so I'm just eyeballing, that'll do. Get that in there. And then let's cook that down nice and gently. So all we're going to do guys, we're just going to cook this down till it thickens. And we're going to end up with a beautiful, creamy, mango sweet curry. Now that looks absolutely amazing. Oh man. Oh, just look at that. A little bit watery again guys, we're just going to cook it down a little bit more, get that cream in there, thicken it all up, and then I'm going to put a little bit of dressing on my mango chicken to take it to the next restaurant level. Now, For me, this is the right consistency for a curry. I'm a gravy curry sauce guy, you know, but we're going to take this down a little bit thicker. This is not quite thick enough, I think, for our mango chicken curry. So let's take it down just a little bit more. Oh, get in there, get in there. Whoa, look at that. That is looking absolutely amazing. Right guys, we want to take this down a little bit more, and then but not too much. We don't want to take it down so it dries out. We want to get that naan bread in there and give it a good dipping. That is amazing. You know guys, it's always fantastic to have a little bit of a different curry, you know. You know, I'm a curryholic. I love curry. Thai curry, Indian curry, Jamaican curry, African curry, any curry. You know, I was brought up on curry and sauces and gravy. I love it. So to have the opportunity from a chef in Australia send me a personal recipe which he's taken 20 years to perfect and let me cook his curry, that is absolutely food fabulous. Okay, so that's it guys. Cooked through, thick enough. All we got to do is turn off the heat and serve it up. Oh. Oh, oh man, that is absolutely amazing. You can taste the buttery ghee in there, the mango, very mildly curry flavoured. It's absolutely superb. Oh. Forget the korma, make the mango chicken. Oh man. This is one of those times, guys, when you really want to go down under. The taste is absolutely fantastic. Oh man. Now, having cooked in B.I.R's for a long time, a B.I.R would probably use carnation milk, but I'll tell you now, don't use the carnation milk, put the cream in. It is absolutely fantastic. Amazing. Amazing curry. Greg, all I can say, mate, this is absolutely fantastic. If you have any more recipes, from down under, send them up over, or I'm in the middle, but send them up. I'll give them a cooking. This is incredible. Nice one, Greg. This is absolutely fabulous. An unbelievable curry. Now guys, if you like what we're doing, don't forget, like and subscribe, share with your friends, in fact share all over the internet. And we'll catch you next time. Amazing. Amazing.